Base Brett, the #1 meme coin on the Base ecosystem, is about to break all-time highs. Here's everything you need to know before loading up a bag. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on Base Brett, as a bunch of exciting things are happening in the back end that's making this project garner a lot of fuss and a lot of bullish behaviors on the charts, at least, that can make this project potentially 100x from here. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, and let's jump right into the mix of things. Taking a look at Base Brett, this token's absolutely on fire this week, up 69% on the week, and in terms of the day, we're up a whopping 10%. We're up another 10ish, 11ish% earlier today, but there's a bit of sell-off, and now it's rising again. Will Brett break 7 cents? I'm bullish Brett's target new high. If it breaks a 7% occurs, ensure to place a stop loss around 0.39 cents to manage your risk reward and some safe trading. Some great advice. Again, obviously not as financial advice, but we can see that is a pattern for the downwards trend. But again, there is still potential for the charts to run up in the upwards direction. But again, always your own research due diligence, because obviously this is not financial advice. Overall, crypto markets are starting to look hot again. We're up another 1%-ish on the day in terms of volume, up a whopping 20%. Fear and greed index is sitting at a 64, still in the greed. Again, we need to get more towards the right and less towards the left. But regardless, looking great. Bitcoin about to hit 70,000. Ethereum's dancing with 4,000. Literally, by the time this video is uploaded, maybe it hits 4,000. Again, very, very bullish on the overall market, which is obviously replicating in the charts. We see even in terms of the top 10 trading tokens, Base Brett is trending at number 10 with a $611 million market cap. And again, guys, the fact that it's not even in the billions is absolutely insane. We can see up 80% on the month, 70% on the week, and 7% on the day. In terms of top Base meme coins, guys, we can see Base Brett is number 1. It has almost $448 million in volume, which is absolutely insane, making a top 1 in terms of Base Brett tokens, and even in trending number 1, and in terms of size and market cap, also at number 1. And a close number 2 is DGen Base, which is $300 million market cap, which is half the amount of Brett, right? Well, another very notable name would be Toshi, which again is like less than 1/4. So again, Base Brett definitely has that advantage. Why is this important? Similar to the success we saw with Shiba Inu, a meme coin in the ETH space, right? Similar to when we had the whole Binance meme coin rush, the race to the top is always an advantage to have, and Brett definitely has that in his corner. Brett's also growing rapidly fast on social media, almost 70,000 followers. Talking about growing fast on social media, I want to talk about a meme coin that has crazy upside potential, and that is DogeVerse, a token we've talked about on this channel quite often. And in 7 days, the pre-sale's ending. So for all my people who bought a pre-sale, claim dates are coming very soon, so very excited. Again, over $15 million raised. That's $15 million worth of capital that people are willing to put up because they see promise in this project. All right, the world's first chain traveling Doge. This is DogeVerse. It goes multi-chain to claim and buy on the following 6 chains: ETH, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Base, and Solana. It's featured in a ton of different articles. Has a multi-bridge utility utilizing superior bridge technology. DogeVerse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. It has a great roadmap, amazing tokenomics, and also cherry on top, you could stake your DogeVerse to earn more money. So not only are you buying it super early and can make a bag from that, but also you could stake your DogeVerse to earn even more. Currently offering 48% APY with dynamic range staking. And again, talking about social media, garnering a massive following, a cult-like following, or a cult-like following, I should say, with over 20,000 followers on X, which is nothing to be playing with. 22,000 followers in the past 6-7 months. Pre-sales ending soon. Launch date is coming as well. Again, very, very exciting things for DogeVerse ahead. But back to Base Brett. Again, also very strong on social media, posting the memes, engaging with the community, and this is what we need to see from a meme coin. We can see an exciting announcement that Base Brett is now on Seamless Fi, which is another platform where you can now buy and trade Brett. Again, Brett's been featured on a ton of different articles and blog posts, which is great. Brett leads meme coin charge on Coinbase Ethereum Layer 2 blockchain, which is insane how it's really leading. And again, clean website, clean UI, so Base. So introducing Brett, Pep's best friend on Base, one of the crypto's most significant cultural icons and the mascot of the Base chain. You buy on a ton of different exchanges, and again, more bullish the fact that we don't have any massive tier 1 exchange listings just yet. So when that does come, this will be absolutely massive for Base Brett token. Again, I'm super bullish on this project, and I know you guys are too in the comment section below. I think Base, Solana are 2 chains that have been going absolutely insane, and we're excited to see where it goes from here. Like always, guys, it's not financial advice. Always your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know how you guys feel about Brett in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.